This is Ring Video Doorbell Pro. It comes with plug-in power and a battery-free design. It has 1080p HD video and 160-degree field of view. It has two-way talk system and provides real-time notification. It has night vision as well as photo and video history. You can download the Ring app from your Android and iPhone smartphone from Google Play Store or Apple Store. So inside the box, it comes with a user manual and a bunch of stickers, a level indicator, bunch of different outer cover for the doorbell, the Ring doorbell, and a plug-in power supply, a drill bit set, and power plug adapter for different countries. So this is all about unboxing. I have not connected it. So once I connect the Ring doorbell, I will make another video. So that's all in this video, friends, and I will see you in the next one.